Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
The Delhi government, the NDA government, is not pursuing the agenda of a political party. NDA government is pursuing aggressively the agenda of RSS. Now, therefore, it is a responsibility of the citizens and the society as a whole to understand their hidden agenda. What is the hidden agenda? What is the agenda of RSS? Is the agenda of RSS acceptable to all? It's as simple as that. So, therefore, it is a question of sensitizing people about the agenda of RSS, which is the ultimate objective and the only goal that they want to achieve by being in power. I have repeatedly spoken about this. The same thing is being spoken about by all the leaders across the nation who cares for the unity and integrity of this great nation. But these people have some different agenda. They are not bothered. They are not bothered because their agenda is something else. Therefore, it is somehow giving us a reason to believe beyond reasonable doubt that RSS is the main force behind your BJP. The whole your so-called workforce at the grassroots are the RSS. And therefore, Modi ji is bound to actually go by the dictates of RSS, and that is exactly what is happening. Otherwise, why will you have one act which is to prevent the cruelty to animal? Cruelty to animal, how has it got it linked to sale of cattle market? How do you corroborate the location of the market? This all apparently there's some kind of situation where all these, I will call them, it's a non-government actor. RSS, because constitutionally they are not mandated to drive their agenda. But from the back door, they are pulling the strings. So it's completely unconstitutional. Putting their agenda even into framing the rules, that means there are some extraneous forces who are working, taking control of the various authorities in different ministries. That is how I will interpret.